This video tutorial will cover how to use the appointment scheduler. The first thing to do is to add a provider and an exam room to the user account. Navigate to the user profile by clicking the My Profile button in the main menu located at the top of the screen. Navigate to the Schedule Administration tab in the Section menu. Click the Add a Provider to Schedule button to add a provider for the account. Enter a provider name in the field. If there are more than one clinic for the current account, you may select one from the clinic name drop-down list. When you have finished, click the Insert button to save the provider to the account. Click the Add a Resource to the Schedule button to add an exam room to the account. Enter a room's identifier in the room name field. If there is more than one clinic for the current account, you may select one from the clinic name drop-down list. When you have finished, click the Insert button to save the exam room to the account. Return to the patient list to start scheduling appointments. Navigate to the Appointment Scheduler page by clicking the Appointment Scheduler button in the main menu located at the top of the screen. The Appointment Scheduler allows you to keep track of appointments or important notifications. Select the clinic you wish to schedule for from the drop-down list in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Use the drop-down list next to the clinic field to sort the schedule by provider or exam room. To create an appointment, double-click in the appropriate time slot. Enter a subject for the appointment. Select the date and time for the start and end times manually or using the drop-down lists. Use the All Day checkbox next to the fields if the appointment will last the rest of the day. Select a provider for the appointment using the checkboxes. Select an exam room from the drop-down list. Add any additional information regarding the appointment in the description field. If the appointment is recurring, select the Recurrence checkbox. Specify the frequency for the appointment by selecting hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Fill out the additional information for the chosen selection. If you would like to include an end date, specify how many times the appointment will occur or the date to cease the recurrence. Click the Save button when you have finished editing all the information. You may view the scheduler for other dates by using the navigation arrows or the drop-down list located to the left of the date at the top of the schedule. Click the Today button to return to the current date in the schedule. You may also change the view chronologically by selecting day, week, or month in the top right of the screen. The Timeline button lets you see all appointments for the next 2 days. To edit an existing appointment, double-click the appointment or right-click and select Edit. When editing an appointment, be sure to click Save to finalize the changes. If you wish to change the time or provider for an existing appointment, click and drag the appointment to the desired position on the schedule. To delete an existing appointment, right-click and select Delete. A prompt window will ask if you really want to delete the record. Click OK to continue. That concludes this video on using the appointment scheduler.